You can open it and close it depending of situation. I got a 3 by 6 meters gazebo from Amazon. Let's unbox it and mount it up. It is foldable, so let's see how it looks. The cool thing is that you get a carry bag, so when you are done for one season you can have it packed for the next one, and it is super heavy. First impression is really nice. White color, everything looks and feels as high quality. So this is everything you get: a carry bag, a metal mechanism which is foldable, of course. You get tent stuff that go over the top and side panels with windows and so on. So let's unfold this first. I really needed to check the manual. It is recommended to have 4 people, but I'm gonna try to do it with 2. The initial assembly is quite simple, but I recommend you to have at least 3 people. With 2 is doable, but not that much easy. You have these clips which needs to clip in the hole on the every leg. The top is up, and now we can adjust the height to desired level, and that's the hardest part of the job up until now. This is how it looks below. Everything looks really nice. You have these, you do like that to fix the top cover. You have 2 on the shorter sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the longer sides. After that you should do some fine adjustment, and that would be it. So let's do it. We're gonna do now sides. Not all of them. I want this to be covered and this part here, so we're gonna pick a side. Okay, this is quite easy. A double-sided tape, and voila, and you have these to pick up like this. Simple. Yeah. Looks nice. Yeah. Definitely looks like a mini house. Overall, my impression is really positive. It is really big, and if you ask me, quite practical. The setup is a bit of can be troublesome if you are alone. You definitely need friends to help you out with assembly, but hey, when it is done, it looks super amazing. It is quite a spacey. It is 3 by 6, as I mentioned at the beginning. I realize that you can put these on any side you want, and you can open it and close it depending of situation. Check this out. It is double-sided, so if you're on any side you can zip it and unzip it. The day is closing, and I won't go too much into details regarding assembly. There are things which you need to do to secure this. You need to use provided security pins and put them in the ground, but I will go a step further and do some weights to secure it more, than because if huge wind comes, it can flip it over really easily, especially because it is this much big. But hey, it is big, that is important. And that would be it. If you need something like this, you have a link down below in the description box. It is definitely a really nice purchase if you need space like this outside. I personally plan to use this for my car. Subscribe to check that out, and I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, see ya.